Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University believe they have developed the first AI pilot that allows autonomous planes to navigate crowded airspace, where artificial intelligence will help to avoid collisions, predict the intentions of other planes, track other planes and coordinate their actions, and communicate by radio with pilots and air traffic control. To interact with other planes, AI use vision and natural language to communicate its intentions to other planes, whether piloted or not. This type of piloting will lead to safe and socially compatible navigation. By tinkering with artificial intelligence on data collected at Allegheny County Airport and the Pittsburgh-Butler Regional Airport, which include air traffic patterns, aircraft images, and radio transmissions, researchers were able to achieve it in police coordination. AI used 6 cameras and computer visual system to detect nearby planes like a human pilot. The automatic speech recognition feature uses natural language processing techniques to understand incoming radio messages and communicate with pilots and air traffic controllers through speech. The use of autonomous aircraft will expand opportunities for drones, air cabs, helicopters, and other aircraft, moving people and cargo, inspecting infrastructure, handling fields to protect crops, monitoring poaching or deforestation, often without a pilot at the helm. The artificial intelligence developed is designed to interact seamlessly with aircraft in VFR airspace. The team has to test AI pilot on real aircraft yet, but it has performed well in flight simulators. To test the AI, the team set up 2 flight simulators. One is controlled by AI and the other one by a human. Both operate in the same airspace. The AI can safely navigate around a pilot aircraft, even if a person at the helm is not an experienced pilot. In the commercial area, artificial intelligence can help autonomous planes deliver packages and transport passengers. Ideally, drones and aircrafts should operate without a pilot to save weight and protect them from pilot shortages. The US Army Research Office and the Army Future Command's Artificial Intelligence Integration Center supported this study. Let us in the comments, how do you think this technology will be safe to use? Subscribe to our channel, and if you want to receive more health information, just check it out on bottomlab.com.